Those gathered in front of the gates with the inscription "Work sets you free," offering a false promise of freedom, are some of the last people left alive to tell their story. Some 300 people have come to revisit the horrors of Auschwitz with one goal in mind: to keep its memory alive.
I came here to get it out of my system, to show my kid, my second generation, that it was true. The crematoriums, the thing what they done here. And it looks like it's not a camping, it's paradise, private homes. If they would know what's going on here, I don't think with that smell, they wouldn't want to live here.
The German occupiers built the Auschwitz camp in 1940 as a place of incarceration for the Polish prisoners. From 1942, it became the largest site of extermination for European Jews. In Auschwitz, Nazi Germany killed at least 1.1 million people, mainly Jews, but also Poles and Soviet prisoners of war, and prisoners of other ethnicities, including Germans.
I believe you're in hell. That's what this place was, hell. Because we lived in a camp, not like this. We had barracks with hardly any windows in it, and no sleeping conditions, just wooden beds, and the food was lousy. We couldn't live on it, but we survived. It's amazing how people can live on nothing. I'm 85 years old, and who knows if I'll ever come back again. And I came back to say goodbye to my mother, my 4 sisters and brothers who died here. I never said goodbye to them.
On January 27, 1945, the camp was liberated by the Red Army soldiers. Some 7,000 sick prisoners, including 130 children, were found alive in the camp. The Auschwitz camp still stands, with all the horror and dread that it still inspires, and it stays up as a reminder for Jews and people of the world to never forget.